Hey, welcome to my Affiliate Tube Success Academy results video. And I figured I would pull back the curtain and give you a little bit of insight in what's been going on the past few months. So I think I've been doing the program technically for around 3 months for the one particular product that I want to promote. And I've got a couple of other ones I've been considering, but I have another job too. This is my primary thing, so it's kind of secondary. I've had a couple of periods where I've had to stop within these 2 to 3 months. I've had to stop and work on other things and focus on other things. So I kind of set this up and it's been running, but what I'm working on now is actively promoting it more, working on the channel and those things. So if you're considering the program, this is what I've done through this time period, and then just kind of doing it intermittently. So you may be able to get even better success if this is something you can work on even more so. So I'm going to go ahead and just open this up and you can take a look from there. Commissions right now are at $15.92, and I have one more rebill coming in, so that's going to make everything land somewhere around $1,750 if I sold nothing else at this point. So I also have a couple other affiliates that I promote, and I've been getting some additional sales, but they're not in this Kartra backend here. They're through other platforms. So I'm still new to affiliate marketing, and I'm really happy with $1,750 for a few months' work. And that will keep on working for me over and over as time goes by and as I keep adding additional products. So if this is something you're looking into, I'd highly suggest that you do it, because you set your stuff up once and you maintain it a little bit, but for the most part, it just keeps working for you over and over. All right, so that's about it. This was a short video, but I just wanted to show you some actual results in case you're searching for this product and trying to figure out if it's actually worth doing or not. But if that is something you decided you do want to move forward on, if you wouldn't mind using my link, I'd really appreciate it if this video was helpful for you. If you have any questions, go ahead and type those in the comment section below. And the link that's appearing right down here, you can type that in, or I'll also put it in the top of the comment section for you. And from there, you'll be able to go ahead and get the program for yourself and get started making some money. Talk to you soon.